Hi, welcome to my project, Pantheon Trades. What this is basically a council of 11 gods that debate every single trade. Now, the unusual part is that when they refuse, the refusal goes on chain as a primitive we call proof of restraint. Why why do we go about this proof of restraint? Now the thing is, most trading bots are a black box. They optimize one number and you trust the brochure. Well, I did the exact opposite. The council prompts are public, the math is documented under methodology, and the times the backtest was wrong are listed on a page on called counter evidence. You will not be able to see that over here, at least for now. And the refusals are witnessed on the ARC testnet. The accountability is the actual product. Now, let's go on to demo. Now, here is a captured council deliberation, signal that a Bitcoin to 120,000 by year end, council edge of plus 17. They just keep on going from like round 1, every agent submits an opening read. Round 2, they challenge each other, and round 3, Athena synthesizes. But since Zeus runs a cluster correlation check, he finds that the macro cluster correlation at 0.7.8, that was above the constitutional ceiling of 0.65, which called for a veto. The debate short circuits. The Areopagus writes a proof of restraint witness on the ARC testnet. No trade fires and 0 capital deployed. Now what this basically means is that we have multiple different predictions that we can do, right? And while they're all going about arguing with each other, if Zeus over here rejects it, then it gets vetoed. Now why that is the case is because he has the highest constitutional standing. That's also the same thing with Solon. Everyone else have their own different standings, but they cannot veto except for Zeus and Solon, right? Now let's go to trade. Now this is the operator side, right? You can connect your own wallet through MetaMask for now, and you can add ARC testnet on the first click. It will drip the testnet USDC from the circle faucet. Then they can authorize an ephemeral session key, one MetaMask pop-up, and that approves a TTL bound signer with a per trade and cumulative spending caps versus an indexed DB. Right, let's just do this, and all good. Confirm, and we go back. Right now, what you see over here, this is the trade farm. You can submit an intent this way, and this is what exactly is going on with the entire platform, right? Now let's just go to the dashboard. Now the trades over here that you can see, these are all the restraint feeds, the witness feed, and whatnot. And these are the receipts that I talked about earlier on, that all of the receipts are saved on the ARC testnet, right? And that's pretty much it from at least the most nuanced way to explain it. But what essentially this is, a basic TLDR, if you would like to call it that, is instead of having to go with, this trade looks good, we focus on, hey, this trade doesn't look so good. Why is that? We talked with each other and we didn't really like it. Or, hey, this specific point is kind of bugging me quite a lot about this specific trade or prediction. Do I really think that I should go proceed with it? Absolutely not. And then we hold weightage to each and every single person's choice, and we proceed with that, and then we save all of this up on our testnet, right? And yeah, the discipline over here is basically the alpha. Their strength, you can see it, it's witnessed all the time, and the repository is completely open source. If you would like to take a look, I can just show it right here. And that's the GitHub repository. Of course, I will keep on working on this throughout. I really do need to work on my presentation skills, and yeah, this is my project, Pantheon Trades.